Can we have the cameras on, class? Good morning. So how was the Christmas? Good?
It was great.
It was great? Okay, very
Good
good morning, beta. Tell me, where did we leave the class the other day? Children?
Ma'am, we have left one question. Ma'am, we have to discuss that question.
Question number 9. Chapter number 9, sorry. Yes?
Chapter 9.
Okay,
Yes.
fine, fine,
Sure.
fine. Let us wait for 2 more minutes. Let others come. Right now, only 7 are there. Chaliye. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are there. Are you ready with your answers? That third question that we left.
Yes.
Very, very good. That's very nice. We have Anushka. No, we have R.N. Gupta in the class. Then we have Kumar Parth. Then we have Roma. Then we have Tanishka. Good morning. Siddhant and Siddharth.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Siddhi. Tanishka, Vanshika. Tanishka, Vanshika Sharma. And okay. Kushagra Singh. Sharad. Then we have Daksh here in the class. Fine. Fine. Okay. Those who will come simultaneously, I'll put the attendance.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning, Daksh. Hanji. Yes, tell your answer. Kumar Parth, tell your answer, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
In 21st century, ma'am, now there are good facilities for women. As ma'am, in 20th or 19th century, ma'am, there are not so much good facilities. Like ma'am, on that time, they didn't get so much of education, and like they are not allowed to
They
talk
were.
about the things
Kumar Parth,
happening
they
Ma'am,
were
they
not
were not.
allowed.
Yes, ma'am.
They were not allowed.
Ma'am, they were not allowed to talk about anything which is not related to a house. Ma'am means outside world, and ma'am, they are not allowed to go also outside the house or the city or town
You
which they live.
can
And ma'am,
write.
now,
Listen, what you can write
yes,
that women in the 18th century, they were confined to the four walls of the house. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Carry on, carry on.
And then now they are getting good education, and
They
ma'am,
were.
now
They,
they have the
Acha, you are
ma'am,
telling
they
about the
were
present. Present.
uh, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
They are.
now they can do anything what they want to do, ma'am, like in future on now what they have to do. And ma'am, now they have right also that they can choose their option in future, as well as ma'am, now also because in now, ma'am, there are not uh, ma'am, there are not anything which is capturing, or ma'am, which is holding they to them, that you are not allowed, ma'am. But ma'am, still in some cities, ma'am, it is mean that girls are not allowed to do anything, but in most of the cities it is allowed to do. And ma'am, in 19th century, in whole world, or ma'am, in the city or their home also, they are not allowed to do anything.
ठीक है. ठीक है. Very good. Well tried. Roma, have you written this answer? Huh?
No, ma'am, I was not present the last. I was not present in the last lecture.
Okay. Any other who has written this answer?
Ma'am, but I can tell the point. One point.
Yes,
I
yes.
have in
Tell,
mind.
tell. That's really very good. Tell. First, you write. You
Ma'am,
tell,
now.
listen, listen. First, you tell about the past. Then you come to the future, right? Right? Tell. Bhavya, good morning, beta. Bhavya,
Good morning.
good morning. You are sleeping beauty or what? Got up just now?
No, ma'am, I had cold.
Okay, okay. So have you taken medicine for the cold or you are taking precautions?
Ma'am, I've taken medicine.
Okay. Precautions also you should take, no, Bhavya? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. Good to see you in the class. Right. Yes, Roma, you start with your answer, bacha.
Ma'am, I just have to tell one point. Of nowadays.
Tell,
Right.
tell, tell, tell.
Ma'am, nowadays, the women, there are a lot of women who have been first to do something. Like, then there are a lot of laws that have opposed against what happened before. And now women can do whatever they want. There is no objection in that.
But do you really think there is no objection in that? Do you really think it is now it is more easy for women to pursue their interest in their hobbies than before?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Anybody else for the same answer?
Ma'am,
Siddhant, Daksh,
I have one.
Kushagra? बताओ कुशाग्र. सिद्धांत आपने लिखा है बेटा ये आंसर? हाँ? Tanishka, have you written this answer? Third one? G third? Yes, Parth? Parth wants to say something?
Ma'am, I have one point.
हाँ बताओ
Ma'am,
बेटा.
I have one point.
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, ma'am, now as ma'am in 20th or 19th century, ma'am, parents said that they have load of women or girls, but ma'am, and ma'am, they do marriage also as when girl is at age of 10 or less than 10, ma'am, they get married. But ma'am, now ma'am, the parents are also think that this is not right, and now they don't force a woman or girl to get married so earlier, ma'am, than 20th or 19th
Huh.
century.
Huh. See, whatever social practices which were there in the society of that time, what we can do, we can have a comparison of that. Like what we can say is, see, education part, that was, the women were deprived of education in the past, but few were, open to that. But in the present times, few are not open to that, but all are given education except for few. This point you can write. Right, in the present scenario, what you can write is, women are more aware. They know, to be a successful person, to grow in any way, you need to have education with you. Right, so you can write that education, in the present time, women hold more importance to the education than anything else, but in past there were several things that were more important than education to the women. Right, second point you can write, the practices like sati, which were prevalent in those times, where the women were forced because of uneducation. Now in the present scenario, these things are not taking place, because now women have become more aware, and now education is imparted at a very early age to the women also. There is equal importance given to men women education. Right,
Okay, ma'am.
then you can add on this point that child marriages were prevalent in the previous times, where the girl, because of this, the girl could not get education. But now in the present times, these practices have been abolished, and now more focus is given on the education than anything else. Right, in the present time, you can write that child marriage has become, it has become an offense, where anybody involved in these kind of practices are punished under the law. That is why more emphasis is given on the education of the women. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. Any other point that I am forgetting? Then you can also write that several, the social reformers of that time, they worked for the upliftment of, they worked for the emancipation of women, and that same thing is continuing here. Right, in the present times also, those remote areas, those extreme, the interior of the country, where education is not given more importance by the females or by the girls or by the women, there so many social reformers like, Ashish Satyarthi and others, they are making efforts to get these people, these girls educated. Right,
Yes, ma'am.
like whatever practices were there in the past, in the 18th and the 19th century, same is being continued. There are many places where, where the reformers are going, though they are educationists, they are reformers, we call them, like, we call them social workers, who are working for the upliftment of women in the society. Wherever any kind of, social evil is practiced, they are working for eradicating the same. Right. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. So with this, we come to end of this chapter. Chapter 8 we have done. Question answers.
Yes.
Fine. Now coming to the activity for this class, beta, for this chapter, you have to do two activities. One is map work and one is the a simple activity. Where you need to, first activity is, you need to write about the social reformers, name of the social reformer, and the work done by that social reformer. Right.
Okay, ma'am.
You don't have to
Okay,
write,
ma'am.
you don't have to write statements for them. You can simply write, if for example, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, the other side, you can write, established Brahmo Samaj, worked for banning sati practice in the society with the help in the society, and then brought a law against sati practice in 1829. Right.
Okay, ma'am.
Right.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I hope it is understood.
Yes, ma'am.
It is understood, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
ma'am.
Now coming to the second activity. अब जितने भी social reformers के आप नाम लिखेंगे ना, जितने भी social reformers के बारे में आप लिखेंगे, जितने भी बुक में आपने दिए हुए हैं, आप उनके states के बारे में पता लगाएंगे, और मैप में उनके स्टेट्स मार्क करेंगे। जैसे कोई भी सिंबल बना देंगे राजा राममोहन रॉय के लिए, सपोज आपने स्टार बनाया, तो आप जैसे राजा राममोहन रॉय वाज फ्रॉम वेस्ट बंगाल, तो आप वेस्ट बंगाल पे कलर करके या कोई जो आपकी चॉइस हो, जो भी सिंबल आप यूज करना चाहते हो व्हाटएवर, ठीक है, वो सिंबल यूज करके आप वेस्ट बंगाल को कलर कर दोगे या सिंबल केवल बना दोगे। ठीक है, गॉट माय पॉइंट?
मैम कैन यू अनेबल टू
हाँ, मैप वाला रिपीट करें।
Yes,
यस
ma'am.
मैम
देखो जितने भी सोशल रिफॉर्मर्स के नाम आप लिखोगे, उन सोशल रिफॉर्मर्स की प्लेस ऑफ ओरिजिन, जिस भी स्टेट को वो बिलोंग करते थे, उस स्टेट को आपको मार्क करना है। ठीक है, बेटा समझ में आया?
मैम योर वॉइस इज नॉट कमिंग क्लियर।
Ma'am, your voice is cutting.
मैम योर वॉइस इज
अच्छा, आई विल रिपीट, वेट। सोशल रिफॉर्मर्स के नेम्स जो आप लिखेंगे, उन का जो स्टेट ऑफ ओरिजिन है, किस स्टेट को वो बिलोंग करते हैं, वो स्टेट आपको मैप में मार्क करनी है, पॉलिटिकल मैप में इंडिया के। ठीक है, अब क्लियर है आवाज?
Okay, ma'am.
ओके मैम।
फाइन। सिद्धांत, हमें बताओ, हमने क्या दिया आपको मैप वर्क में करने के लिए? बताओ सिद्धांत बेटा।
मैम मैं वॉइस
Ma'am, can you hear me?
हाँ हाँ, आई कैन हेयर यू बेटा, आई कैन हेयर यू। सिद्धांत बताओ। बताओ बेटा।
मैम
हाँ,
वॉइस इज नॉट कमिंग।
अब आ रही है आवाज हमारी? कैन यू हियर मी नाउ?
Ma'am, your voice is cutting.
अब आ रही है? बेटा अब आ रही है?
Yes. No,
बताओ।
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम।
चलो शरद आप बताओ, हमने क्या, शरद नहीं, चलो सिद्धि आप बताओ बेटा, हमने क्या होमवर्क बताया है आपको?
Ma'am, first activity is that we have to write about the social reformers and the work they have done. And second activity is that to mark the places of the social reformers from where they belong to.
ठीक है, ठीक है, वेरी गुड। आपको उस पे मार्क करनी है, ये किस पे? मैप में। सेकंड एक्टिविटी मैप की है। मैप में क्या करना है सिद्धि?
To where they belong.
हाँ, बताइए। चलिए, इतना हो गया।
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, 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 fine. Now, coming to the next chapter of civics. I think we started with civics. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Which chapter we started? Tell beta.
Ma'am, we
Ma'am,
have
we
done
have
till
Then हम
chapter
करते हैं।
What we have to do?
5. Ma'am, we have to start chapter 6.
Of civics. Roma?
In civic. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Let us start chapter 6. हाँ जी तनिष्का बोलो बेटा. बोलो तनिष्का. Your voice is not clear, Tanishka.
Ma'am, the activity given, we have to do this on our fear notebook.
Yes, do it in the fair notebook of history where you are doing all the question answers and everything. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Now, coming to the civics chapter, role of police and courts, chapter 6. Class, what do you know about police and what do you know about courts? Can we discuss that?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, batao, what does a police do for you? Daksh?
Ma'am, police takes the responsibility of our safety, and ma'am, ma'am, they take care of ma'am, like robberies.
Okay, they control robberies. Very good.
Ma'am,
Haan, Siddharth?
ma'am,
Ma'am,
Haan?
ma'am, they take the responsibility to keep safe of their city.
Haan. They take care of the city. They try to keep the law and order. They also bound people to follow the law and order. They always punish those who violate the laws. Right? Right?
Yes,
This,
ma'am.
this is what, no? Then how,
Yes, ma'am.
then
Yes,
how
ma'am.
courts are helpful to us? How courts are helpful to us? Tell. What role courts has to play? Anybody?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
ma'am, as you say that the police make sure that people should follow the law or obey the law, but that laws are made by the courts.
हाँ जी. What? Come again. एक बार और बताइए आपने क्या बोला बेटा?
Ma'am, as you said that the one work of police is that to make sure that people should obey the laws.
हाँ.
So that laws are made by the court only.
Yes, laws are not made by the court, but then but the courts ensure that whatever laws have been, in practice, people should follow them. And anybody violating these laws, they are punished by the court, not by the police. Police is there to keep a check. Anybody violating the law is the police catch hold of such people, and then they take them to the court. For menial offenses, simple offenses, मार पिटाई हो गई या किसी ने किसी का सामान तोड़ दिया, for these kind of offenses no people don't go to court. ठीक है, वो पुलिस में ही अपने झगड़े वगैरह सुलझा लेते हैं. बट फॉर मेजर केसेस लाइक मर्डर हो गया, बहुत बड़ी बैंक रॉबरी हो गई या चोरी हो गई बहुत बड़ा कुछ, तो इन चीजों के लिए पीपल दे टेक असिस्टेंस ऑफ द कोर्ट, क्योंकि कोर्ट जाके जो प्रॉपर ये जो भी चीजें होती हैं उसकी इंक्वायरी और ये सब जो है इन्वेस्टिगेशन होती है बाय द पुलिस वंस द कोर्ट ऑर्डर्स इट. ठीक है.
Ma'am, in other words, we can say that court decides that what punishment should be given to the criminal.
Yes, very good. Because see, court is part of judiciary. We have done in chapter 4, no, about judiciary. We have read that judiciary is an integrated system where we start from the lowest level of the court and we approach the highest level of the court. That is from district court to the Supreme Court, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Now, The courts and the police, they are collectively responsible for upholding the law and protecting life and property of the citizens of a nation. Now, in this chapter, we are going to look at the role of the courts and the police and how the two are related. Fine. Now, before we start with the chapter, they have given, some comic strips are there. So, Roma, Siddhi, Tanishka, then Daksh and Kumar Parth. सबसे पहले Roma will read, okay? Roma, read.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, okay. Watch out, Myra. Slow down. Then 15 minutes later. So, madam, you were driving the car. Yes. Verma, paint, seal all the evidence you find in the car.
वर्मा नाम है, पंत भी नाम है. ये सरनेम्स हैं जो पुलिस का जो हायर ऑफिशियल है वो अपने छोटे सिपाहियों का नाम लेके बोलता है. वर्मा पंत, seal all evidence you find in the car and take madam to the hospital. Right?
Three hours later at the police station.
रोमा, अब आप रहने दो. आप तनिष्का आप पढ़ो बेटा. 3 hours later at the police station. तनिष्का read. हाँ.
3 hours later at the police station. An FIR has been registered by the police against Madam and she has been booked under IPC section 337 and 304 for rash and negligent driving and for causing death due to negligence. We have to put her under arrest. Papa, please save me. I didn't do anything deliberately.
Fine. Now, what you can assess from here, from the dialogues, that the girl who was driving the car, she mistakenly, hits the divider and 2 of the people in the car, they die. Now, after 15 minutes of this accident, police comes and catches hold of the person who was driving the car. Myra was the person who was driving the car. So whatever was found in the car was told by the police to take under their control, right? Now, after 3 hours at the police station, when the father of the girl comes and asks that what exactly had happened, so the police tells to Myra's father that one FIR has been registered by the police against the lady who was driving the car, and she has been, charged अंडर आईपीसी सेक्शन, इंडियन पीनल कोड. हमारा जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है बेटा, हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में आईपीसी की धाराएं दी गई हैं. हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में टोटल 22 शेड्यूल्स हैं, 395 आर्टिकल्स हैं, ठीक है, और 8 सेक्शंस हैं जिनके अंडर ये सब चीजें जो है दी गई हैं, ठीक है. तो वो ये कहता है कि अंडर द आईपीसी सेक्शन 337 एंड 304 रैश ड्राइविंग और रैश एंड नेग्लिजेंट ड्राइविंग and which has caused death of 2 people, that is why she has been arrested by the police. But the girl says, please save me because I did not do anything deliberately. उसने जानबूझकर कुछ भी नहीं करा था, but उसकी नेग्लिजेंस की वजह से, उसकी खराब ड्राइविंग की वजह से 2 लोगों को अपनी जान खोनी पड़ी. That is why she was taken under the police charge. Then Myra was released on bail the next day. अब बेल जो होती है, बेल पे लोगों को छोड़ा जाता है, बट उसके एवज में कुछ अमाउंट ऑफ मनी लिया जाता है उनसे, ठीक है. बट विद इन अ वीक अ चार्जशीट वाज फाइल्ड अगेंस्ट हर इन द मैजिस्ट्रेट्स कोर्ट. शी वाज रीअरेस्टेड एंड अ ट्रायल इन द कोर्ट बिगेन. अब उसने वो बेल पे छूट तो गई, पर क्योंकि उसने ऑफेंस करा था, उसकी खराब ड्राइविंग की वजह से 2 लोग मर गए, तो उसके अगेंस्ट जो है चार्जशीट फाइल हो गई. चार्जशीट फाइल होने के बाद जो है उसको मैजिस्ट्रेट के कोर्ट में प्रेजेंट करा गया और वहां पर जो है कोर्ट की जो भी प्रोसीडिंग्स होती है वो स्टार्ट हो गई. नाउ रीड, हु विल रीड? रोमा, रीड.
Ma'am, Myra was released on bail the next day, but within a week,
You just read the
sheet
comic
was.
strips. You read the comic strips, left and then right.
Okay. Okay.
हाँ
Yes, I was present there. Their car was speeding and went over the road mm, divider. Then it crashed against the traffic signal. I rushed to help. By the time the ambulance arrived, the two boys in the car were dead.
हम्म
So, according to you, the accused Myra and her friends had been driving around in inebriated state for nearly an hour before the accident. At the time of accident, were you present there and did you witness?
हम्म हाँ बताओ बताओ बताओ, पढ़ो पढ़ो, नेक्स्ट पढ़ो।
Okay. After 2 months, the
बेटा बेटा
court
ये ना अपोजिट हो गया,
arrived at a decision.
बेटा एक मिनट सुनो सुनो सुनो, ये गड़बड़ हो गया। गड़बड़ क्या हो गया? गड़बड़ ये हो गया कि हमें पहले जो है राइट वाला पढ़ना था, फिर लेफ्ट वाला पढ़ना था। So according to you, the accused Myra and her friends had been driving around in an inebriated state for nearly an hour before the accident. At the time of the accident, were you present there? And what did you witness? वो जो लॉयर है वो पूछ रहा है, एक बंदा खड़ा है कोर्ट में जो कि ऑन द स्पॉट जो है जिसने जो है कंप्लेंट रजिस्टर करी या भाई ऐसा कुछ मैंने देखा, तो वो कहता है yes I was present there. Their car was speeding and went over the road divider. Then it crashed against the traffic signal. I rushed to help. By the time the ambulance arrived, the two boys in the car were dead. वो बोला जब तक मैं वहां पहुंचता, एम्बुलेंस जब तक आती इंजर्ड्स को लेने के लिए, तब तक पता चला वो जो दो लड़के गाड़ी में थे वो मर चुके थे। After 2 months, the court arrived at its decision and the judge gave a verdict. अब देखो डिफेंस लॉयर जो होता है, जो कि लड़की जैसे लड़की के फादर ने एक लॉयर को हायर करा होगा, प्रोसिक्यूशन वो होता है जो भाई केस के फेवर में लड़ता है, और डिफेंस लॉयर वो होता है जो अपने जो उनका जो वो होता है कॉन्विक्ट होता है उसके फेवर में लड़ रहा होता है। ठीक है, तो डिफेंस और प्रोसिक्यूशन दोनों लड़ते हैं, दोनों आपस में जो है कोर्ट में अपनी अपनी बातों को प्रेजेंट करते हैं, बट अल्टीमेटली 2 महीने के बाद कोर्ट का डिसीजन आता है और कोर्ट इस जजमेंट पे पहुंचता है। आफ्टर हियरिंग द डिफेंस एंड द प्रोसिक्यूशन, द अमाउंट्स ऑफ द आई विटनेसेस accounts of the eyewitnesses and the evidence gathered by the police, the court finds that Myra is guilty under IPC section 304 and is awarded a 3-year term in the prison. The court also orders her to pay a compensation of rupees 5 lakh to each of the families of the deceased. अब कोर्ट ने अपनी वर्डिक्ट दी, उन्होंने कहा कि भाई प्रॉपर हेयरिंग और सब चीजों के बाद पता चलता है कि भाई मायरा इज गिल्टी, मायरा ने गलत करा, मायरा दो उसने डेलिबरेटली नहीं करा, बट फिर भी गलती तो उससे हुई है, अगर उसको ड्राइविंग नहीं आती थी तो उसको गाड़ी नहीं चलानी चाहिए थी, है ना। तो उन्होंने बोला कि इसको जो है आईपीसी सेक्शन 304 के अंडर जो है गिल्टी माना जाता है, एंड उसको ये कहा जाता है कि आप जो है जो लोग मरे हैं उनकी फैमिलीज को 5 लाख का कंपनसेशन देंगे, और जो लोग और उसको 3 इयर्स का जो है इम्प्रिजनमेंट जो है वो उसको वर्डिक्ट करती है इन दी डिसीजन दैट इज टेकन बाय द कोर्ट। अब आपको इस पूरे इंसिडेंट से क्या समझ में आता है? पुलिस और कोर्ट हमारे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ना। पुलिस का काम सजा देना नहीं है बेटा, पुलिस कैन नॉट गिव पनिशमेंट, पुलिस नीड्स टू कीप अ चेक ऑन द लॉ एंड ऑर्डर इन द सिटी, स्टेट, रीजन, एरिया, वेर एवर वी आर रिजाइडिंग। ठीक है, तो पुलिस क्या करती है, टाइम टाइम ये चेक करती है कि लोग जो है वो लॉज को फॉलो कर रहे हैं, लॉज को जो है वायलेट नहीं कर रहे हैं, और वो ये भी देखते हैं कि कोई भी आदमी जो लॉ को फॉलो नहीं कर रहा है या जो लॉ को ब्रेक कर रहा है उनको पनिशमेंट दिलवाई जाए बाय द कोर्ट। अब जैसे मायरा का जो केस था, मायरा के केस में क्या हुआ, वो जानबूझ के उसने ऐसा कुछ नहीं करा, पर उसके पेरेंट्स को ये देखना चाहिए था कि भाई मायरा को ड्राइविंग आती है कि नहीं आती। हम एडल्ट है, 18 ईयर्स अबव है, दैट डज नॉट मीन कि हम हर चीज में परफेक्ट है। ठीक है, हमें वही काम, देखो सड़क जो होती है बेटा, रोड पे बहुत लोग चलते हैं एंड हम किसी की लाइफ को नहीं ले सकते। ठीक है, अगर हमें गाड़ी चलाना सही से आता है तभी हमें इस गाड़ी लेके चलना चाहिए और साथ में किसी को बैठाना चाहिए। अगर हमें नहीं आती है, वी शुड नॉट गो फॉर इट, है ना। क्योंकि अगर हम ऐसा करेंगे तो हम ऐसे कई लोगों को मार देंगे सड़क पे, जो कि अननेसेसरी, जैसे सलमान खान वाला केस आपको याद है? सलमान खान ने जो है ड्रिंक एंड ड्राइविंग वाला केस था, जिनमें उन्होंने गाड़ी जो है फुटपाथ पे सोते हुए 5-6 लोगों के ऊपर गाड़ी चढ़ा दी थी। बहुत न्यूज
Yes, ma'am.
बहुत हाईलाइट हुआ था। तो वो भी क्या केस था? वो भी यही केस था, पर इसमें मायरा जो थी वॉज इनोसेंट, पर उसमें ऐसा लोगों ने कहा, जो आई विटनेसेस थे उन्होंने कहा कि सलमान खान वॉज ड्राइविंग, though he was not driving as per the decision that is given by the court, that he was not driving the car, but the vehicle, it was the driver who was driving, and unknowingly they killed those 5 people, those who were sleeping on the footpath. ठीक है? तो अगर हमें कोई चीज नहीं आती है तो हमें नहीं करना चाहिए, स्पेशली गाड़ी चलाने जैसी चीज जो कि हम सड़क पे चलाते हैं, गाड़ी हुई, स्कूटी हुई, एक्टिवा हुई, इन सब चीजों को चलाना इज वेरी रिस्की। unless and until you are very good at that, you should not come on the roads. हमने देखा है, पता है, बहुत यंग एज के बच्चे जो है इतनी स्पीड अप करके अपनी गाड़ियों को चलाते हैं। The other day when I was on the roads, I still remember there was a boy, he was riding a bike, इतनी तेज he was going, and आगे जाके, this is an incident a long time back, I think 3-4 years back, but today also when I passed from that particular passage where the boy met with an accident, I get goosebumps. That boy, he was riding a new bike, more than 100 speed was there of that bike. He was so thrilled, riding that. He was wearing new clothes, and it was some occasion, I don't exactly remember that. It was holiday of the school, and we were coming back from Delapir, and there at that Sofota road, which starts from Delapir Mandi side. From there, that boy was coming. 2 of the boys were there. They were, just in fun, they were riding the bike. They had speed up their bike, and all of a sudden the bike got, like, we could make out that now the bike is going to hit the divider. The bike got hit with the divider, and the bike got 6-7 rolls, and then ultimately the boy went on one of the sides. Maybe, he was so badly injured, but luckily he did not lose his life. Maybe he was lucky enough. But see, we are young. We should think before, speeding up our bikes or the cars, that we are moving on the road where other people are also there. We need to keep in mind that the ones who are moving along the road, they may not be aware of our speed that we are coming at. And that boy, I don't know what happened to that boy. I tried to stop, but then by the time we reached that place where he had fell down, many of public had gathered, and they had taken him to the nearby hospital which was there. But whenever I pass through that road, even today, whenever I go through that particular passage, I suddenly that it sticks to my mind कि यहाँ पे उस बच्चे का एक्सीडेंट हुआ था. Imagine, पेरेंट्स ने कितने मन से उस बच्चे को बाइक लेके दी होगी, नए कपड़े दिलवाए होंगे हैं, और बताओ, जब घर में ये खबर पहुंची होगी कि बच्चे का एक्सीडेंट हो गया, तो कितना दुख हुआ होगा पेरेंट्स को. हुआ होगा ना? भले ही नई चीज हमें थ्रिल करती है, हमें स्पीड भी थ्रिल करती है, नो डाउट, बहुत मजा आता है गाड़ी तेज चलाने में, बट यू शुड ऑलवेज कीप इन माइंड कि अगर आपके सामने अचानक से हाई स्पीड पे कुछ आ गया, तो हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू कंट्रोल योर बाइक, योर कार, और एनीथिंग दैट यू आर राइडिंग. तो वी शुड ऑलवेज कीप ट्रैक ऑफ द स्पीड एट विच वी आर मूविंग. इवन जब हम सड़क पे चलते हैं, तब भी हमें अपनी स्पीड को चेक करके रखना चाहिए. हमें रोड क्रॉस करते समय वी शुड ऑलवेज फॉलो द ट्रैफिक रूल्स. देखना चाहिए कि कोई गाड़ी तो नहीं आ रही है एकदम से, जो रश में जो है हमें जो है रोड क्रॉस नहीं करना चाहिए, भाग के कभी रोड क्रॉस नहीं करना चाहिए, है ना? अगर आप देख रहे हो कि कोई चीज बहुत स्पीड से आपकी तरफ अप्रोच कर रही है, तो यू शुड स्टॉप देयर ओनली. आप पीछे हो जाओ, लेट दैट व्हीकल मूव फर्स्ट, उसके बाद आप जाओ. क्या जल्दी है बेटा? 2 मिनट लेट ही तो हो जाएंगे, जिंदगी से तो नहीं खोएंगे ना, जिंदगी को तो नहीं खो पाएंगे. ठीक है? आई होप आई एम क्लियर.